Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find language settings on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile and now click settings. Now here you will find it. As you see, you will find language. You can manage your language settings, content language settings, and that's it. That's how to find language settings on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.